Are you planning a move abroad and frustrated with decluttering and downsizing? You don't know what to choose to move with you and what to leave behind? Well, you're not alone. This is quite common. I'm an expat coach and intercultural psychologist. I've lived in 6 different countries over the 40 years, and I know what that feels like. So here's what you do. You take all of your belongings and categorize each thing into one of 2 categories, either emotional objects or practical objects. Now, emotional objects are things that are not easily replaceable, that have a meaning, that have some sort of significance to you. The practical objects are those that are, in general, practical, can be easily replaced, and probably can be bought in your new location. Once you start thinking in these 2 categories, it becomes a lot easier to sort out what you want to take with you and what you want to leave behind and either donate or sell or just dispose of. If you like tips like these, check out my free guide, Unlock Your Dream of Moving Abroad. You can check it out below, and I hope this is helpful.